Shakas. Welcome back to Makaz Home. It's Maka. I just have a quick share with some happy mail that I have that I'm wanting to get out. And so, let me begin. I made two of them. They're kind of the same, so one will go over more and the other one fast kind. But anyway, I did make these ones. And all I did was use a rosette. I backed them with some doilies. I die cut with the stitched heart die this vellum piece, and then another doily, another rosette, and then smaller stitched heart vellum pieces. I also have some of this from my stash that I made. Yeah. And these foam flowers, flat back pearl, some pearl trim, and a AliExpress paper die bowl. And then some trim here. I got some of this trim from the last swap I was in with the Not So Secret Santa swap. And then I wish this light would stay on. And then I just shared some information on the back. Oh yeah, and I added a straw and just a puffy on the bottom. But then these are those box albums I've been making. I love making them because they're so super easy. And I'll link the original tutorial that I followed below. It's Danielle from PinkZebra Crafts. Crafty Pink Zebra. Oh, I'm going to leave her link below. And I'll probably run it across the top screen too. But here are some of the stuff. I'm just including some die cuts, tags, some pocket, not pocket letters. Project Life type cards. I cut out some dies and packaged them. And here's some other Valentine's dies. So that's why I have to get this out so that they can use this before Valentine's comes and goes. And then some other dies. And then in the box, I just have some random embellishments I made using scrap paper, and then I added some trim, and there's just a little goodie mix of stuff here. So yeah, so that is one of the happy mails I made. And then the other one, the wand is a little bit different. Oh, that light is errors. So, I don't even feel like that light does it justice. But here, I used some of the foam flowers I got off of AliExpress. This satin ribbon I got off of AliExpress satin bow. Some of this trim I got from the Not So Secret Santa swap I was in. So yeah, the same stitched heart die I used. Backed it with rosette and a doily. And then shared some information. But yeah, and I think inside is pretty much the same too. Tags, die cut, same toppers. Yeah, trim. And then in the box more of that stuff, the embellishments. So these are my Happy Mails I'm getting out. I hope the recipients love them. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and January sure is flying by. We are halfway through the month, I believe, or pretty darn close. So have a great day, have a great rest of your week, and Shakas, thanks for stopping by. Like the video if you do. I appreciate it. Shakas!